और रास्ते में ऐसा गर्म हवा का झोंका ऐसा ठाप दे के आया है, मुझे क्या बताऊँ। यार मैंने बाल की वजह से ना 3 बार एक ही वीडियो शूट किया है। एनीवेज आई डोंट केयर नाउ। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस एंड गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, whenever you are seeing this vlog. So yes, I'm going to Mount Diablo today. रात को मैंने बहुत कुछ शूट नहीं किया बिकॉज रूममेट था तो आई didn't want to disturb you. Whatever. I am en route my car pickup station, and if you have seen my all the vlogs, you know, fuel up the car, fuel up the body. So coffee pickup करेंगे, थोड़ा light नाश्ता, and then head straight to the destination. यार बहुत भूख लग रही है, you know guys. You know guys, I was this close to cancel this trip. I woke up and tried to cancel my ride but decided I'll pursue it. अभी कुछ खाएंगे, कॉफ़ी पिएंगे, सिर्फ रास्ते में ही खा लूँगा मैं, but let's see. Yes, so meet you in the car. Bye. As you saw, कॉफ़ी आ गई है, ब्रेकफास्ट आ गया है, तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू अम्बे माँ का नाम लेते हैं और इस व्लॉग की शुरुआत करते हैं. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू गाइस टू एंजॉय द टाइम लैप्स. So I've started my trail and I want to share one thing, that the entrance fee here for parking lot is $6 and I did not have the cash in hand, although I have my card, but I approached a lady to ask that if there is any other method to pay, right. She told she didn't have any idea, and she asked like how much is the fee. I told it's $6 for parking. She gave me the cash and I insisted like I will pay upfront right now, just give me your Zelle ID or Venmo. She insisted that it's her treat, enjoy the hike. I'm so grateful to her, otherwise I would not have entered the park. Oh my god, thank you whoever you are. She didn't tell me the name also. She offered me water. Oh my god. California people, I love you. तो ऐसा है कि आज मैं अकेला ही चल रहा हूँ ये माउंटेन. I'm not kidding. There's no one behind me and there's no one ahead me. पार्किंग लॉट में भी खाली 5 गाड़ियाँ थी, उसमें से 3 गाड़ियों के लोग तो मेरे को दिख गए थे. ऐसा नहीं चलता. उतनी पसीना आँख में गया. You know what adventure looks like? Can you see this gap? One wrong step and you are rolling down the mountain. 1 hour on the clock and I am near to the Eagle Point, and which is near to the summit. So, and I'm 10% scared and 90% excited because I'm all alone on this mountain, as I said before. But that's the adventure, that's the experience. Now I'll talk to you after I reach Eagle Point. अभी 90-10 का 80-20 हो रहा है दोस्त, कि पीक आ नहीं रहा है एंड द ट्रेल इज सो स्टीप. हालत ख़राब हो रही है. मे बी आई टुक अ रॉन्ग ट्रेल, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज Eagle Peak is nowhere to be seen from here, and from there, how much long is the summit? I don't know. I am on a trail. I'm not lost, but maybe wrong trail. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, I was wrong. I was on the correct trail, and I present to you Eagle Peak, Mount Diablo. I'm not kidding. I am all alone on this mountain right now. I met no one on the way up, and I'm pretty much sure I will meet no one when I climb down. Now the summit is quite far from here, and I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, because it took me 2 hours to reach Eagle Peak. The elevation is around 2340 feet. I don't know. Let me check. 2369 feet. So surreal. So surreal.
I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind. So live your life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that ever die. My father told me. Yeah, so अगर YouTube ने कॉपीराइट मारा इस पे भी, अभी क्या ही करने का. I know I am a horrible singer, but whatever floats your boat. About this good call, I was talking that for iPhone users, it's pretty common when you are in extreme heat conditions. iPhone gives a warning that cool down the iPhone before using it, right? So I got that warning, and thank God I didn't pursue the other trail. Otherwise it would be a problem. And the main thing here is that network is available on this trail, right? So if there's any problem, I could easily contact ranger station, park rangers, or my friends. That's why I decided, even though I'm all alone here, I would pursue this trail. And if आगे जाके नेटवर्क नहीं रहे और मोबाइल ने भी बोल दिया भाई कूल कर तेरा आईफोन, तो अभी क्या करने का. So it's okay if I did not reach the summit. It seems good now. There's a gush of wind. अभी मैं इधर बैठूंगा थोड़ी देर मस्त आराम से, and then I will continue my descent. और सोचेंगे कार तो पूरा दिन के लिए, तो I will roam around. शांति से जाएंगे घर. Bye. I have taken a break to talk to you guys, to talk to my 40 subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking that button, right? And now it's time to click the like button also and comment your honest reviews. It would be great for me because it's quite a new field for me, and I'm learning video editing also. I'm learning how to vlog. I'm learning how to see in the camera and constantly talk. It's all impromptu. I haven't prepared a script like short films or films. So it would be great if you give your honest comments on the vlog and press the like button. There's a dislike button also, and if you did not like, you can. in my car. Oh man, I just checked my health analytics. So instead of 13.2 miles, I did 8.7 round trip, which is also good. Which means if I had gone 2 miles ahead of the Eagle Peak, then I would have reached the summit. But thank God I didn't do it. The reason being, in California, here in this area today, the weather app is showing 100 Fahrenheit, which means it's almost 37-38 degrees Celsius. And I don't need to say that how does it feel while you climb up the mountain. And ऐसा नहीं था, मैं चला तो जाता but नीचे भी उतरना था. So that was the challenge for me, and Ambe Maa ki Krupa, safe and sound, climb down. यार कोई सनस्क्रीन काम नहीं करता है कैलिफोर्निया की धूप में. So I rested for a while in the car, and now it's time to decide if I should go directly to home or if I should explore something here. एंड वक्त आ गया है इस व्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करने का. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज इफ़ यू हैव वॉच्ड टिल हियर, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब इफ यू आर न्यू, एंड इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब्ड, लाइक एंड कमेंट ऑन दिस व्लॉग. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट एडवेंचर.